Hey guys, welcome to Railway Talks. I'm James from MJ Reviews, recording today from Fenton train station in North Yorkshire. So that's a tractor. I'm on the middle platform, so we're going to go through the railway. This train station was open in May or March of 1829 or 30. It was one of them. So this line goes to York, Leeds behind me, York's in front. That line takes you to Sheffield, Hull, Doncaster, but you can also go to Blackpool. One of the reasons I chose this is I've been on one of the abandoned lines round here, and that actually has a place in me now, because I went down there. Obviously there's going to be a video based down there soon, but just being down there and feeling what it was like back in like the 90s when it got ripped up. Well, obviously I don't know. Oh, there's another train coming. But basically this series is going to show the past present of steam trains. We're focused on steam trains because I know them better than diesels, and steam's cooler. I don't want to upset diesel fans, but deep down I'm right. But this was actually built for the York and Midland Railway way back when. Nearly 200 years ago. That's scary. It's scary. I'm 18 and that was 200 years ago nearly. Bloody hell, I'm young. But one of the lines went from Fenton to Harrogate, stopping at Stutton, Tadcaster, going along there. I'll have a map somewhere in the video about it. Oh my god. I genuinely don't believe this. Oh my god. Yeah, but as I did say, we're not looking at like that, but you know, every day you see your face, is it? But the Tadcaster line is no longer here, so I'm only going to be looking at that about twice. Where that bridge is, it's outside. If you live in the York or Yorkshire area, it's in a place outside of a place called Towton. If you're going from Tad, heading towards like Fenton, there's a turning where you can go left. There's also a cut out there where the railway used to go. My plan is to walk the entire way somehow. But basically, it goes all. It's used to go from there. A line used to go from there round to there. Then where them cars are coming out of, so wrap around there, heading to the left. So obviously the line closed about 40-50 years ago, so I was late to see that, unfortunately. But down there is the walk to it. So it would be interesting to see what it'd be like trying to walk it. There'll be houses in the way, but we'll find an alternative route. On rail maps online, I've seen the whole of Fenton. So walking it would be pretty damn easy. But and this is a mega, but if we can't walk it, I'll try and walk it from that bridge. It might be doable, might not be, but I'm worth giving it a shot. Obviously, it just be me, but I don't know how I'll be able to walk it from here when there's houses in the way. You're walking through a field, but plus where the bridge is, I'd have to walk across that's a mega busy road as well. I have to walk across the road, head through Towton, head down to the pass where I got dropped off that time, walk through another field, down there, get a video of it, and then just carry on walking to Tad. But obviously I'm going to record Tad at some point, but you know. So, this is just brief overhaul of some plans. There's birds everywhere, I'm getting out of here. So, this is James with Railway Talks, signing off for this week, but obviously I can't record a train video every week. I could, but you know, I've got reviews to film, starting from tomorrow, which is Friday. So, and the video will be out on Friday and all. So, how perfect. So, this is Church Fenton, signing out. Bye guys.